Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are study about the science, but welcome for you the Pratiksha education point. We can see the first question of the science as a physics. The first question is a what is the SI unit of the speed? So SI unit of the speed is meter per second. A meter, B meter per second, C km per hour, D meter square प्रति second. Correct answer will be B. Question number second. Speed is a vector quantity, scalar quantity, both known of these. So speed is a scalar quantity, so option B is correct. A scalar quantity only need of the magnitude, not need of a direction, so it is called scalar quantity. Question number 3. Velocity is a scalar quantity, vector quantity, both known of the. We can think velocity is a vector quantity, so option B is correct. Question number 4. If an object cover equal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to have non-uniform motion, uniform motion, circular motion, periodic motion. It means it is said to uniform motion. Option B is correct. Question number 5. Which of the following is always positive? Displacement, distance, velocity, acceleration. The correct answer will be B. Distance. Distance is always positive. So option B is correct. Question number 6. Which graph is used to study motion? Distance time graph, volume time graph, pressure time graph, temperature time graph. The correct decision will be distance time graph. Option A is correct. Question number 7. If an object is at rest, its velocity is 1 meter per second, 10 meter per second, 0 meter per second, 100 meter per second. If an object is at rest, its velocity is 0 meter per second. Option C is correct. Question number 8. What is the SI unit of the acceleration? Option A meter प्रति second. Option B meter square प्रति second. Option C meter प्रति second square. Option D km प्रति second. The correct answer will be C meter प्रति second square. The SI unit of the acceleration will be meter per second square. A straight line in a distance time graph indicates option A non-uniform motion, uniform motion, zero motion, non-motion. That answer will be uniform motion. Question number 10. Which is the first equation of motion? V is equal to U plus AT. S is equal to UT. C. V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. D. S is equal to VT. The correct answer will be A. V is equal to U plus AT. Option A is correct. Question 11. Rate of change of velocity is called option A distance, option B speed, option C acceleration, option D displacement. Correct answer will be C acceleration. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Question number 12. If velocity decreases with time, the acceleration is called positive acceleration, negative acceleration, zero acceleration, constant acceleration. Answer will be negative acceleration. Option B is correct. Negative acceleration. Question number 13. The slope of distance time graph represent acceleration, speed, displacement, time. The correct answer will be B, speed. Question number 14. The slope of velocity time graph represent distance, speed, acceleration, time. Correct answer will be C, acceleration. Question number 15. In uniform circular motion, what changes continuously? Speed, time, direction of velocity, distance. The correct answer will be direction of velocity, always changing per unit time. So option C is correct. Question number 16. If displacement is 0, distance can be 0, negative, 0 or positive, fixed. The correct answer will be C, 0 or positive. Question number 17. Which is the second equation of the motion? Option A. S is equal to ut plus half at square. B. V is equal to u plus at. C. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. D. S is equal to Vt. The correct answer will be the first A. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Question number 18. Area under a velocity time graph represent acceleration, distance, oblique displacement, time, speed. Correct answer, the distance or displacement. Option B is correct. Question number 19. A car moving at 60 km per hour is an example of acceleration, speed, displacement, distance. Correct answer will be speed. Option B is correct. Question number 20. Which is the third equation of the motion? A. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. B. V is equal to u plus at. C. S is equal to ut. D. A equal to V upon T. The correct answer will be A. Thank you so much, guys. Please like, share the video. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.